In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to hide WordPress editor features in the Gutenberg Block Editor. If you have many authors and contributors on your blog or site, then you may want to hide a few editor features for them, and you can do this very easily. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Publish Press Capabilities plugin. I've already installed it. But if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. If you notice, you'll see the capabilities icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon and click on Editor Features. Now, first, select for which role you want to hide these features. Now here you have all the features that the Gutenberg editor has. This is the top bar on the left side, which is this bar. I'm just going to disable these for the contributor role. Then scroll down and save changes. Now, I'm just going to go to my users, and I have a plugin installed that lets me switch between users easily. So I'll just switch to this user. And now when I create a new post, the top left bar is not available for this user. This is how you can hide WordPress editor features in the Gutenberg Block Editor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.